Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change colors and fonts on your GoDaddy website. This is a great way to personalize your site's appearance and ensure it matches your brand identity perfectly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in option and type in your credentials to log into your account. After entering your username and password, you'll be directed straight to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is essentially your control center where you can manage all aspects of your online presence. From here, focus your attention on the left navigation menu where you'll find several options. Click on Website to proceed to your website management area. Your website settings page will now open up in front of you. This page gives you an overview of your site's current status and various customization options. Now locate the Edit Website button, which you'll find on the right side part of your screen. This button is your gateway to making visual changes to your site. Go ahead and click on it and your GoDaddy website editor will open. This editor is where all the magic happens when it comes to designing and customizing your website's look and feel. Give it a moment to fully load so you can access all the available tools to change colors and fonts on your website. Direct your attention to the top right part of your GoDaddy website editor. Here you'll see an option labeled Theme. Click on Theme and you'll instantly see options that allow you to modify the visual elements of your site. This section is specifically designed to help you control the overall aesthetic without having to touch any code. You'll see an option to change fonts and color from here, making it incredibly straightforward. Let's start with colors. Click on Color to change the color theme of your website. Once you do this, you'll be presented with a color picker tool. This tool allows you to either select from preset color palettes or create your own custom color scheme by choosing specific hues that represent your brand. Take your time experimenting with different combinations until you find something that truly resonates with your vision. Now to change fonts, click on Fonts within the same theme menu. You'll see two font drop-down menus appear, one for primary fonts and another for secondary fonts. The primary font is typically used for headings and important text, while the secondary font is used for body text and smaller elements. Choose the ones you wish to assign to each category by clicking on the drop-down and browsing through the available font options. Select fonts that are both readable and align with your brand personality. And that's it. You've successfully customized the colors and fonts on your GoDaddy website, giving it a fresh, personalized look that better represents your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.